Moviror, a new planet in the solar system. On the far side of the universe, there is a small planet called Moviror. This is very nice and pleasant. Small and yellow Martians are living there. They have 3 eyes, 3 legs, and 3 hands. They do not walk. They are always flying in the space because the small planet is covered with gas, and this makes it very fun, especially for younger Martians who are playing all the time. Adults are always busy creating innovative inventions to visit other planets. The inhabitants of the planet Moviror live in a small house in many ways, shaped like a triangle, circle, square, and rectangular. They eat gelatin and go to study in the City of Inventions. They always learn to create new things that makes his life is more practical. This planet is surrounded by other planets in many colors: red, green, yellow, purple, and pink. But the only blue planet is Moviror. There are many stars around it. It's wonderful to live there because the people are always happy. No one is sad. One day, a small child astronaut in a space soon ran into Moviror. The shock was so strong that he was unconscious for several minutes. When he awoke, he was surrounded by small Martians, who kindly invited him to tour the small planet. Was so funny because on the way animals of different space found. Time passed quickly, and when he realized it was already dark. Camped that night on this planet along with their new friends, and the next day returned to Earth to report this discovery, because we all thought there were 9 planets and now there are 10 planets in the solar system.